is special accessory supplied by Skoda, original genuine accessories. It is supposed to be a complete car care kit which consists of the car polish, the glass cleaner, the interior cleaner, shampoo, tire shine, windshield washer. Then there is a cleaning brush, car care sponge, microfiber cloth, sprayer. Now we will unbox this and see each product and its uses. So these are the sprays. These are all the sprays. There are 4 numbers of sprays with 4 different bottles. This is the windshield spray, which is used to clean the windshield. There are markings here and it will let you know how much you have to use while cleaning the windshield. The second one is the shampoo, which can be used to wash and clean your complete vehicle. Next one is the interior cleaner. This is a very useful product which you can use and save money. You don't need to go to the outside suppliers. You can clean your vehicle whenever there is any dirt immediately to avoid further markings or stains in your vehicle. Next is the glass cleaner. This helps you clean all your glass, the window glass, the front windshield, the rear windshield. So it helps you clean so that especially during night times, it will give you a very clear view and you won't have any issues, won't have any problems, vision problems during nighttime driving. Next we have a car polish. After your washing, you use this product to polish your vehicle and it will give you a nice good shine. Vehicle will look as good as new. Next is the tire shine. So after your wash is done, you use this to shine your tires. Your tires will look nice and black and it will give a new look for your vehicle. In this we have the sponge with which we can use this shampoos to clean the vehicle. A brush for interior cleaning where you can clean your seats, your armrest, all these things. You can use this brush to remove the stains. And we have this microfiber cloth. This microfiber cloth is specially used for vehicles which will avoid scratches on your vehicles. Any normal cloth will create a lot of scratches on your vehicles and it will spoil the exterior look of your vehicle. So it is specially recommended that you use a microfiber cloth for cleaning your vehicle. So friends, we recommend you use this product supplied from Skoda as genuine accessories so that it keeps your vehicle shining and bright. Thank you.